Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Jamie, and in today's video I have a birthday unboxing. It's actually my real birthday today, and I am a proud 42 years old. I can't believe it. Nothing like a midweek birthday. But let's start off with some bubbles. Okay. Here we go. We have some from J Winery. It's one of our favorite wineries whenever we go out to Sonoma. It's beautiful. So fun. Cheers. Now that we got the bubbles out of the way, let's do a handbag unboxing. Now, if you guys recall, this was a Fendi Peekaboo. It's one of the three. My husband did surprise me, and he actually put some of the tape on it so he knew that if I tried to open it, as you can probably see here. But yeah, so give me a few to try to get into this box.
I'm so excited. I have no idea, but I know that any of the three Peekaboos can't go wrong, because all three are beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, a beautiful Fendi yellow box. Love that.
So excited. Okay, we've got a hint. It's that lilac color, so it's either the Peekaboo, the mini size, or the ISEEU. I'm still not sure which one. Excited. It's a beautiful shade. You guys. Okay. It's the ISEEU. Oh my, it's so pretty. Look at that. Wow, this is so gorgeous. It's so breathtaking. This whole tortoise shell on the inside and on the front, that's stunning. I'm going to show you guys so you can see it too. Wow. It's so beautiful against the lilac shade. It's a beautiful shade. Oh my, I love it. I'm so excited. I can't believe I have a Peekaboo back in my collection finally. This is a very special one. You know, it's a seasonal Peekaboo, so definitely if I was to get this one, it was pretty much now or never with this bag, because I would not want to try to hunt for this. It'd probably be all gone. I think on the website it was gone pretty quick. I love this size too, the small. I don't think that I will get a Peekaboo in a bigger size, just because I feel like this is like a good size for my petite frame. I'm 5'2" in height. I love it. Look at the shade. I think it would be fun if we could see how this shade compares to my sequin baguette. Let me grab that. Okay guys, so it's actually, there is a difference. Yeah, I would say, and I don't know if you can see that now, the baguette, it's more cooler to me, and the ISEEU, the top bag, it's got more of a pink undertone. Hopefully you can see that. Both are beautiful bags, and if you love more soft pastel shades like myself, I think you would love both. But I do love how this one's got the pink undertone. I'm more, I would say, warmer tone, like neutral warm tones is more my skin tone, so I think this is a beautiful compliment. So here's a quick mod shot. Like I said, I'm 5'2" in height. I actually think it fits really nice, seeing that the shape of it is more wider at the bottom, the base of it, and it tapers toward the front, and I like how it hugs more to my body, so it makes it really nice to, if say I'm walking and every day. I think it's super cute. As a shoulder, that fits really nice too. I probably will use this handbag more as the top handle right here in the crook of my arm, or even just as a handheld. So cute. I really like this. Today my husband and I, we're actually gonna take it easy. I took the rest of the day off from work, but we are planning to just chill around the house. I'm gonna have some one of my favorite dishes, which is fried rice. I love fried rice. He's gonna make that from scratch, and obviously have some more bubbles. And I may go to one of the neighborhood breweries for like a birthday drink, but that's about it. And then this weekend we will plan on going to dinner at one of our favorites in the city. Look at the details on the inside of the tortoise. I think that's so stunning. Oh my. And it's got a lot of nice room. I don't know if you can see on the inside here. Wow. Let's see. Oh, and it has feet, guys. Ah! I love handbags that have feet, and I'm not as familiar with the ISEEU as I am with the mini Peekaboo, but I believe the mini Peekaboo in that lilac didn't have feet, but this one has it, and that's just another bonus. So I just attached the strap. My hubby actually did go over this bag with a fine-tooth comb. I did tell him to make sure, because as you know with Fendi, there's like a 15-day or so window where you can return the bag if there's something wrong. But he inspected it fully and found no issues. So this one, such a beautiful bag. Let's also look, I do have that wrappy from Fendi. I think it's gonna look so cute and perfect. Look at that. I think it matches. Oh my gosh, I know, guys. But I'm gonna redo it after this. But you guys get the concept. I think we're manifesting our Peekaboo with this wrappy. It's so cute with the lilac and the beige. I couldn't ask for a better wrappy for this bag. Excited. Were you guys surprised, or did some of you think that I was gonna get the honey beige? I think it's so much fun because I really had no idea what my husband was gonna pick, and he knows I'm a big beige lover, but having this, it's such a special piece in my collection, and really excited to take this out with me in my birthday romper. Okay guys, well, thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, celebrating my birthday. If you're watching this, make sure you have a birthday drink for me. Okay guys, I will talk to you in my next video. Take care.